many mountains to get some confidence? How many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass, I'm still the same.
Hi everyone, it's Mary Beth from MB Gray Designs. Welcome to my channel. Today, I am taking part in the Thrift Flip Road Trip Open Challenge hosted by our Greene Acres and Crafting Cousins. So I hope you come along with us as we move across the world, the US or anywhere in the world, on a road trip to thrift flip. So I picked up this cute little basket at my local Goodwill for $1.99. I am in the Midwest. I am in Omaha, Nebraska. So that's where you are on this road trip. And this basket I thought was so adorable. But I wanted to spring it up a little bit. So excited about the season. So I just taped off the top part, and then I used a guave. That's how you say it, guave, by Waverly. Oh my gosh, I love this paint color. I remember using it I think it was last spring, and I just picked it up again. And I'm like, oh, I'm so glad that I found it. Anyway, it's a really pretty color. And so I decided to go in and fully paint this basket, fully meaning in every little nook and cranny. And then the top, it looks really good, I think, in the wood, the natural looking wood there. Well, maybe not natural, but the color of that wood. But I went ahead and painted it white. I'm using some folk art. I can't pronounce the name of this white paint. It begins with an A. I never can say that word. Anyway. So I went ahead and painted it white. And I do think it looks fresh and cute and everything, but you could leave it. You know, I see these types of baskets all the time at thrift stores. So, and I'm telling you what, don't ever buy a basket at like Target or anywhere unless it's super, super clearance, because I find baskets, all different types of baskets, different sizes, styles, all the time. I never see a shortage of them at Goodwill or other thrift stores. So just a tip. I don't know if that's at least in my local area. So now I'm going to dry brush this with that white chalk paint. And then all I'm going to do is fill this up with some cute little florals that I got from Walmart. I think it's called like a berry bush or something. But I do use these little molds. I have a bunny mold, and I just used some hot glue instead of clay and filled it up. And it turned out so cute because I make a bow, and then I put the bunny in the middle of the bow. I just paint him pink. So yeah, I'm going to let you sit back and enjoy the music, and I will catch up with you here in a little bit.
Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found.
Okay, so I had put the florals in there, the berry mix, and I decided those little leaves with the yellow tips, they were too far down, and it was too smushed. So anyways, I just pulled them out and pulled those off. I can use them on another project. And then these are just plastic eggs that I painted in ballet slipper, and I want to say, I think it was maybe sage, or I apologize, it was a green color. And then I just poked a hole in the bottom and hot glued a little skewer in there. I'm sorry I didn't show that, but I think I was doing that on another project. And anyway, but it was real simple. And they're just plastic eggs from the Dollar Tree. And so now I'm going to paint this adorable little bunny. Oh my gosh. And like I said, this is the first time I used hot glue. Oh, tip. Don't use the hot glue with the mini glue sticks like I did. You would want to use full glue sticks because otherwise it'll take a really long time. So I'm just going to hot glue him, and then I'm going to glue him onto the pretty bow. I'm going to make the bow with a few different ribbons. All right, I hope you are enjoying this DIY.
That I love you. I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Okay, moving on to DIY number 2. So I found these crate planner boxes, whatever you want to call them. Each one was $3.99. Now I am going to only use one for this project, and I'll use the other one for another project. They weren't exactly the same width, but that's okay. Anyway, because I was thinking of maybe putting them together and making a really large planner, but I decided just to do it this way. I'm going to dry brush some Milk Jug paint by Folk Art on here. I'm loving this Milk Jug paint lately. And then I'm just going to make a sweet spring Easter arrangement using one of the bunnies that I got actually off Amazon. I believe they're on my Amazon store. It came with 3 bunnies and 3 eggs, wooden cutouts. So they're really nice. And then these are just some more of those plastic eggs from Dollar Tree, and I painted them. And now I'm just going to take some just different little ribbons and twine and wrap around the egg. Very, very simple, very easy and put them on bamboo, whatever, skewers. On the smaller ones, I just did twine and a cute little twine bow. So I just put those together because I knew I was going to want to incorporate them in my floral arrangement. Now, I just want to take a moment and thank you all so much for being here. And I also would like to thank our Greene Acres and Crafting Cousins for hosting this fun challenge. And don't forget, their channels will be listed in my description box, as well as the playlist with a bunch of amazingly talented creators. And I also want to say, if you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, welcome. My name is Mary Beth, and I enjoy doing all different types of DIYs, different styles, shabby chic, vintage, rustic, farmhouse, boho, you name it. I like to try a lot of different kinds. or different styles rather. And if you are an existing subscriber, you already know I'm so grateful for you. Thank you for returning. I just so appreciate all of you. All right. And so if you don't mind, I have a favor. If you do like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Not only does it help my channel, but it also, in the algorithm, may present my video to other people that like this type of content. So I really do appreciate it. All right. So moving along, there's my eggs and my bunny, and I just stained him in that antique wax. Very easy to do. I did stain both sides, and I'm going to put a dowel on the back of him. I knew that I would put this arrangement up against a wall. If you were going to put it like in the centerpiece of a table, which I think would look really nice, make sure, you may want to, I don't know, you would maybe want to do um, two of the bunnies with the dowel in between, or somehow hide that dowel a little bit more. Although I don't think it looks bad because it's also stained with the antique wax. Also, when I do make the arrangement, the back is not as full as the front, although I did fill it pretty good. It's just, I think if you, again, we're going to have this where it's seen from all sides, you'd want the opposite side to be, as full as the front side. So now I'm going to take this ribbon, which is also on my Amazon store. Oh, by the way, those links are in my link tree, which is listed in my description box. So it's really easy and hopefully convenient for you. You just click on the link tree and you will see all my little links to my Amazon store, my Instagram channel, etc. So I'm just going to take this ribbon and go all the way around. I'm just gluing on the ends, just trying to, like, you won't really see the glue, which is nice. And then I like to always fold the end just to give it more of a seamless look, or a nice seamed look rather. And I really debated for a while on, after I put the arrangement together, do I want to do a bow on the front, which I think would look so cute. The arrangement was pretty large I used lavender and some pretty white florals and the eggs and the bunnies and some different greenery. And I was like, I don't know. Please let me know. Please let me know in the comments. Should I do a bow on the front? And if so, should I just do like a simple bow, or should I do maybe a more fluffy big bow? I just really couldn't decide. I don't know why. So let me know what you think and what you would do. Because I would, I can easily add that. Anyway, or you can add it if you decide to make this project. I really do hope that these projects inspire you. And please, thrift flips are actually my favorite type of projects to do. I just love going on a treasure hunt to the thrift store. And it's amazing what you can do. So stay tuned, because I will have some more thrift flips coming up. And yeah, I just hope that you are enjoying this video. So there it is. I hope that you like it. You'll have to let me know. And don't forget to check out the playlist of all the talented creators. And thank you again so much for being here. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye.